Hey.
Hey everyone, let's do some trucks. So basically, I click on all the purple and orange trucks. Wow, look at that. It's a guy with 4 fragments. And I got 2 of them. I could attack again, but I'm not going to. Two fragments. Let's see if I get one or 2. Nice, 2. So far I have 4. Sometimes this gets a little tedious. Sometimes I accidentally skip one. This has 2 fragments. You can kind of see what my plan is. Another 2. Nice. Basically, I'm trying to go for any truck that has 2 or more fragments. I might go for a 1 just because I don't really want to do this all day. There we go.